Now, how to remove this blank? This is what your problem statement is. Now we have to find out the logic. How to remove this blank? How to remove this blank? So now what we can do? What we can do? We can replace these blanks with one input, that is W1 we can replace here, or W2 we can replace here. So we have to remove these blanks. So how we can achieve this with the help of the Turing machine? We can use the Turing machine. Now we'll start with the initial state called as a Q0. Now the logic what we are going to use is, now what will make this one first, we start with the initial first input, the first symbol. So we will make this first symbol as a blank. We'll make this first symbol as a blank. If it is 1, we'll make it as a blank. And this head will move to the right. Head, we are moving to the right. So this one we have replaced with the blank. And head, we are moving to one right. If we are getting 1, we'll keep as it is, 1 as it is. Now next, when I am getting this blank will replace with the 1. This blank will replace with the 1. Okay. So what my logic is, I will just replace first symbol with the blank, just keep all this, and in between the first blank will replace with this one. So the first symbol is get shifted to the middle, to this next blank, immediate blank. Again, after this replacement, we will just check whether any blank is there. Again, any remaining blank is there, because we have to remove all blanks. So we'll just check. If it is a blank, we'll move right here. We'll check if it is a blank. We'll keep this blank as it is, because we have to remove that blank. We'll keep this blank as it is, and we'll shift. We'll move left without any replacement. We'll move left. If it is 1, we'll keep as it is, remove left. 1 as it is, remove left. 1 as it is, move left. Move left. Now when we are getting here, it is a blank. It means what? The input is over, blank. And after getting this blank, we'll move right to get the first symbol. So after this blank, we'll move right to get the first symbol. Now this first symbol, again, we'll replace it with the blank. We'll replace it with the blank. Again, move right, move right, move right. If I'm getting blank, replace this blank with 1. Replace this blank with 1. And again check whether there is any blank. Yes, it is a blank here. So blank as it is, just move left. Keep 1 as it is, left. 1 as it is, left. So till when we have to move left, till we are getting blank. 1 as it is, blank. Yes. After the blank, move right. Because after that blank, when we are moving right, that will be your first symbol. That will be the first symbol. So we have to move to the first symbol. So if we are getting blank, we'll just move right again. So we'll replace this one with the blank again. Again, this one as it is right, blank, replace this blank with 1. Okay. Now move right and check whether it is here is a blank any. No, here we don't have any blank. It is a 1. So what it means? So after replacing, if I am getting 1, after moving right, I am getting 1. What it means? All blanks are removed. All blanks are removed. And that is what your halt condition. That is what your halt or stop condition. Okay. So this is the logic to remove all the blanks in between two inputs. So now we will try to design the Turing machine for this logic. So we'll just have these inputs again. So we'll have 1, 1, 1. Here we'll have blank, blank, and blank. Okay. So these are the in between blanks. We have to remove these blanks between these two inputs. Okay. Now initially your read write head is always at the first input symbol. That is what your Q0 initial state. So what our logic says, first one replace it with blank and move right. So at initial state, if I am getting one, replace it with blank and move right. Move right. Okay. So that will be your state Q1. That is your one transition. So initial state, if I am having one, replace it with blank and move right. Now my read write, this will become blank and read write head is here. Now what is your input now? 1. So what we have to do with this one? Nothing. We have to just skip it and write. If I am getting again 1, we have to skip it and write. So what I am doing? If I am getting 1, keep as it is and write. If I am getting again 1, keep as it is, move right. 1 as it is, move right. Till we are getting blank. So this 1 as it is, right. This we can write into the loop. This we can write with the help of the loop. So I am having 1, keep the 1 as it is and move right. So whenever we are getting 1 as it is, move right. 1 as it is, move right. Okay. So this all inputs, all ones will be get skipped. That is what your skip operation. Now when your input will be, your read write head will be here, it is getting blank. So this blank I have to replace with 1, because this 1 we have replaced with the blank, skipping everything. Now this blank we have to replace with 1. So if I am getting blank, I will replace it with 1 and move right. This blank, make it as a 1 and move right. Move right. Blank. Okay. Blank, make it as a 1 and move right. Now head is here. It is having blank again. This blank is replaced with 1 and again it is blank. So we come to know that yes, one more blank is there. So after that, blank making 1 and right. If I am getting again blank, so keep this blank as it is and change the direction. That is what left. If it is getting blank, keep blank it is and change the direction. Left. Change the direction. So that will be Q3. So blank, keep as it is, blank and left. Okay. Now here I will get 1. We have to skip 1. 1, we have to skip 1. 1, we have to skip 1. So we will skip all ones and left now till we are getting blank. Why? Because we have to reach to the first symbol, leftmost symbol, which is 1. So 1 skip left, 1 skip left, 1 skip left. Blank, yes, as it is and right. That will give you the first symbol. So now here, after blank as it is left, if we are having 1, so keep 1 as it is and say left. So that will be again the loop, self loop. So 1 as it is left, because we have to just move to the left by keeping all inputs as it is. So 1 as it is, as it is. Now when it will get blank here, so 1 as it is left. So here now we are having the symbol blank. So now this blank, keep as it is and move right. This blank, keep as it is and right. After making right, we will say yes, this is the first symbol. So blank, all ones keep 1 left, blank, so blank as it is, and now change the direction right. Change the direction right. Now here we are having 1. So what we have to do again? We have to repeat the same process again. Keep this 1 as a blank and say right. If 1, make it blank and right. Okay, so this will be right, and 1 will just skip. 1 will skip as it is right. 1 will skip right. Now we are getting blank. So when we are getting blank, so blank as it is. So we are getting blank. Blank, replace it with 1. This blank, replace it with 1 and write. Okay, to check. So blank replace with 1 and write. This direction is important, right? And after making right, again we are getting blank. After replacing it with 1, again I am getting blank. So what it means? One blank is remain again. Now change the direction. Change the direction. And change the, here it was right, now make left. So change the direction. Okay. Now again, 1, skip 1, left. Skip 1, left. Skip 1, left. So that will be achieved with the help of this left. 1 as it is left. 1 as it is left. So we are going left, 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 left. And when we are getting this blank, so keep this blank as it is and change the direction. Keep this blank as it is and change the direction. Blank as it is and change the direction right. Again, this repeat the same loop. 1 as a blank. So we'll go to the Q1. Q1, 1 skip. Q1, 1 skip. Blank. Yes, from Q1, make this blank as a 1. And it will move from Q1 to Q2. So Q2, we are getting 1 here. Q2, we are not getting blank. Q2, we are not getting blank. We are getting 1 here. It means what? All the blanks are removed. So here, if we are getting 1, keep this as 1 as it is and say no operation. And this Q4 will be the final state. Q4 will be the final state. So Q2, we are not getting blank. So it means what? We are getting 1. So 1 as it is and no operation. 1 as it is. So here we are making 1 as it is. So it means what? All blanks are removed. So we'll stop. We'll stop. That is what the final state. This is what actually your Turing machine is. Turing machine is. Now this is what your transition function. Input symbol, replacement, right, update, and the head movement. That is the left, right, or no operation. Left, right, or no operation. So this is what Turing machine of removing blanks between two inputs. Now we have to write the definition again and the transition table. Now while making the transition table or writing the transition table, we have to consider the, on the left hand side we will say states. Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3 and Q4 is your final state. Q4 is your final state. And on the upper side, we will write all the toe. That is what your tape symbol. Now tape symbols are 1. What is your input is? Now blank. What else tape symbol we have used? We have used, replace this one with the blank. Blank, one more tape symbol. So we are having only 2 tape symbols, 1 and blank. Onto the upper side, we are having 2 symbols, 1 and blank. Now Q0, if we are getting 1, so what we are doing? 1, we are getting 1, we are replacing it with blank and moving right. Moving right. So here we can also write like this, Q0 state, blank and right. Okay. So this is what, now Q0, we are getting blank, we don't have any operation here. Q1, if we are getting 1,